Bank Sentral AS atau Federal Reserve kembali menurunkan suku bunga meski dua indikator utama laju inflasi, indeks harga konsumen dan indeks harga produsen keduanya menguat. Benarkah laju inflasi di AS telah terkendali sehingga pelonggaran bisa berlanjut memasuki 2025? Selengkapnya dilaporkan tim VOA dari Washington DC.
Sesuai ekspektasi banyak pengamat, Bank Sentral Amerika Serikat atau Federal Reserve menurunkan kembali suku bunga acuan dalam pertemuan terakhirnya untuk tahun 2024.
At today's meeting, the committee decided to lower the target range for the federal funds rate by a quarter percentage point to 4.25% to 4.5%. We've been moving policy toward a more neutral setting in order to maintain the strength of the economy and the labor market while enabling further progress on inflation.
Ini adalah penurunan ketiga setelah penurunan 50 basis poin pada September dan 25 basis poin pada November. Ke depan, Bank Sentral memproyeksikan hanya 2 kali penurunan suku bunga sepanjang tahun 2025. Pada pertemuan September, The Fed memperkirakan akan ada 4 kali penurunan.
We've reduced our policy rate by 100 basis points. We're significantly closer to neutral. We still think where we are is meaningfully restrictive. And I think from this point forward, it's appropriate to move cautiously and look for progress on inflation.
Beragam indikator laju inflasi menunjukkan setelah turun teratur sepanjang tahun, inflasi kembali meningkat signifikan menjelang akhir tahun. Investor pun memahami perubahan proyeksi oleh The Fed.
I looked last year, a year ago, we sat here and the Fed was talking 6 or 7 rate cuts in 2024, and this was the third one. So I think 4 to 2 makes sense. I'm at 0 for next year. I don't necessarily think they're going to do that. I think inflation is going to continue to go up. I don't think it's going to go up to 9% or anything, but it's going in the opposite direction of what the Fed wants it to do. And I think that's an environment where you're not going to cut into that. And I think they've kind of pigeonholed themselves now where they certainly can't be raising. And you did see somebody today on the Fed and the FOMC go the other way. They didn't want to lower rates.
Pada saat yang sama, penciptaan lapangan kerja mengalami perlambatan signifikan akibat suku bunga tinggi, menguatkan desakan bagi The Fed untuk terus melakukan pelonggaran.
I don't think inflation is as much of an issue as the people that really fear it. And yes, the headline numbers are going up, but if you look into what makes up that headline number, the housing portion is such a big portion of the headline CPI anyways. And, that is not real-time data. So if you look at some of the hot markets and if you track real-time rents, we know that those have come down.
Pertemuan The Fed selanjutnya yang merupakan pertemuan pertama untuk 2025 bakal berlangsung pada akhir Januari dan berbagai faktor akan dipertimbangkan The Fed saat itu, termasuk diantaranya penciptaan lapangan kerja dari data yang terbit dari Debtnaker pada 10 Januari dan juga data seputar inflasi yang juga terbit pada pertengahan Januari. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.